Okay, have you ever wished you had a real superpower, like a real one? Well, guess what? Today, we're gonna dive into some of the craziest real-life superpowers that are hiding all around us in the animal kingdom.
Just imagine for a second. What if you scraped your knee playing outside, but instead of getting a scab, perfect new skin just poof, grew right back? Or even crazier, what if you could lose an arm and just grow a whole new one? I mean, that sounds like something straight out of a comic book, right?
Well, get this. For some totally amazing animals, it is not science fiction. It's a real-life, honest-to-goodness superpower, and it's called regeneration. And we're gonna learn all about it.
So what is regeneration exactly? Well, it's pretty simple actually. It's this awesome ability some animals have to regrow body parts that they've lost or that have gotten damaged. I'm talking no scars, no fuss, just a brand new, perfect part. Seriously, how cool is that? All right, it's time. Let's meet the official regeneration team. These are our animal all-stars, our superheroes. And let me tell you, their powers would make even your favorite comic book characters totally jealous.
First up on the team, we have the Starfish, or as some people call them, sea stars. These guys are the absolute comeback kings of the ocean. So if a starfish loses an arm, no big deal. It just grows a new one. But wait, here's the really mind-blowing part. If that lost arm has just a tiny piece of the starfish's middle part still attached, it can grow a whole new starfish from just that one arm. Wow.
Okay, next up, meet the planarian flatworm. Now, these are super tiny little worms, but they are absolute masters of this whole regeneration thing. You could take just a teeny tiny slice of a planarian, and in just a little while, that piece will grow into a whole new worm. A new head, a new tail, the whole shebang. They can literally make clones of themselves. I bet you've heard about this next team member. It's the lizard, the ultimate quick escape artist. So picture this. A predator is chasing a lizard and grabs its tail. What does the lizard do? It just drops it on purpose. The tail keeps wiggling around all by itself, which totally distracts the predator, and poof, the lizard is long gone. And the best part, it just grows a brand new tail. Now, it's usually made of something called cartilage, not bone, but hey, it works.
And now, it is time for the heavyweight champion of regeneration, the axolotl. This is probably the most adorable salamander you will ever see, with those funny, feathery gills and what looks like a permanent smile. But don't let the cuteness fool you. This creature has the most incredible powers of all. Axolotls can regrow pretty much anything. We're talking whole legs, arms, their heart, their spine, and get this, even parts of their brain. They are, without a doubt, nature's ultimate superheroes.
Okay, so after seeing all that, the big question has to be, how on earth do they do that? Is it some kind of magic trick? Well, it's actually something way cooler than magic. It's science. Let's peek inside their secret recipe book and find out. The #1 secret ingredient is something called stem cells. Now, think of these as the master builder cells of the body. They're kind of like those super special plain Lego bricks that can become part of anything you want to build. These cells haven't decided what they want to be yet, so they can turn into a skin cell, a muscle cell, a bone cell, whatever the body needs.
Okay, so when an animal like our champion, the axolotl, gets an injury, all those master builder cells, they rush to the rescue. They all gather together right where the ouchie is, and they form this special little clump. It's called a blastema. And you can just think of the blastema as the official rebuilding zone, like the construction headquarters where all the plans for the new body part are made.
So how does this whole limb regrowing thing actually work? Well, it's basically a 4-step plan. Step 1, ouch, a limb is lost. Step 2, whoosh, a new layer of skin seals up the wound super fast to keep it safe. Step 3, the builders assemble. All those master cells rush to the spot and form that blastema we just talked about. And finally, step 4, grow, grow, grow. The blastema gets to work building a brand new, totally perfect limb. And voila.
Okay, I know what you're thinking, because I'm thinking it too. If starfish and salamanders can do all this amazing stuff, what about us? Why can't we just regrow an arm? Well, here's the main difference between them and us. When a salamander gets hurt, its body's first thought is rebuild. It wants to make a perfect new part, no matter what. But our bodies, when we get a deep cut, our body's main goal is a quick fix. It's all about patching that hole as fast as possible to stop germs from getting in. So it uses scar tissue, which is like a super fast patch job. Our bodies choose speed over perfection. But wait a minute, don't get too disappointed just yet, because it turns out we humans actually do have our own little mini superpower, and it's pretty amazing actually.
That's right. We can regrow the very tips of our fingers. It's true. If someone, especially when they're a kid, accidentally loses just the very end of their fingertip, as long as a little bit of the fingernail bed is still there, the body can regrow the whole thing. The bone, the skin, the nail, everything. It's like our own little bit of salamander magic.
So, knowing that we have this little spark of regeneration inside us, what could this all mean for the future of healing? Well, scientists are super excited about what these animal superheroes might be able to teach us.
You can think of scientists right now as being like detectives. They're all over the world studying these animal superheroes, the axolotls, the flatworms, and they are trying to crack the code. They're looking for all the clues to unlock the secrets of that amazing regeneration recipe.
And what they might find could be a total game changer. Just imagine, what if we could learn how to help people's hearts heal perfectly, without any scars? Or what if we could find our body's own secret on switch for regeneration that just got turned off a long time ago? Plus, these amazing animals are also really good at fighting off diseases like cancer. Figuring out their secrets could literally change the world.
So that leaves us with one last super exciting question for you. The animal kingdom is just packed with these amazing superpowers that we're only just starting to figure out. So by studying them, what incredible, amazing, mind-blowing things do you think scientists will discover next?
Hey, explorers! If you enjoyed this guide, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures.